Hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making this fabulously tasty chocolate chip cookie. Well, before we get started, if you haven't already, please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for that. Now let me very quickly introduce you to all of the very few ingredients we'll be using to make this very chocolatey special treat. I'll be using a combination of white granulated sugar and soft brown sugar. And I'll put a list of all other ingredients in the description bar below. I'll start off with the dry ingredients. That's the flour, baking soda, and salt. Now for my wet ingredients. I'll add the butter, caster sugar, soft brown sugar, and vanilla. I'll whisk them all together until they're very soft and fluffy. It should be about 5 minutes. Add 1 egg and mix them all together. Once that's ready, I'll gently fold in the dry ingredients onto the wet ingredients. I'll slice half a bar of chocolate. And I'll be combining this with 100 grams of dark chocolate chip. Very gently fold in the chocolate chips. Using a tablespoon to measure, roll the cookies very gently in your palms and place them on a baking tray. I'll bake this at 190 Celsius for about 9 minutes. It should turn out nice and crunchy on the outside whilst perfectly moist on the inside, and it smells absolutely beautiful. Well, thank you all so much for baking along with me today. If you haven't already, please click the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you again next Friday. Goodbye.